We used to come here.
Come here. We invented it.
You ride, I ride.
Most important thing in life, always be mi familia.
Dominic Toretto, you don't know me. You're about to.
Looks like the sins of London have followed us home.
We're being hunted.
So what's the plan, Dom?
This time it ain't just about being fast.
Daddy's gotta go to work.
This takes crazy to a whole nother level.
What's up now? What's up now? Hold it down like what's up now?
Clasificada PG-13.